In this video, I'm going to show you how to download uninstalled Telegram on your Windows 11 computer or laptop. So in order to do this, you need to head over to an internet browser. Then from the address bar, you need to type in telegram.org and hit enter. Once you're on the official Telegram website, click on Apps from the top navigation and then scroll down to Desktop Apps and decide whether you're downloading this for either Windows or a Mac OS. For me, I'm downloading it on Windows, so I'm going to click this one here and then select Get Telegram for Windows x64. Once this is finished downloading, it's going to end up in your downloads folder over here. Then we're simply going to open up the application like this, and then you'll just need to go through the steps on the screen to finish the installation. So I'm going to press OK. Select where you want to save this application to and press Next. Click on Next again. Make sure Create a Desktop Shortcut is selected and press Next, and then finally hit Install. Once that's finished, we can check the box to launch Telegram and press Finish. And just like that, we've now downloaded uninstalled Telegram to our computer. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.